Merry Christmas, everyone. Figured I'd share a neat little gadget from Philips. Philips fiber optic tree, USB powered LED. Found this at the local Shoppers Drug Mart, and I figured, hey, might as well have a look at it. So, I've already saved a bunch of the effort and partially opened it with USB cable, USB Type A, not Type C, but whatever. There's your instructions packet, and here's the tree made of genuine fiber optics. Now let's plug in the thing. Just gonna plug it in here. There. And there's ones, I got this one with the green little topper and the red glitter. Yes, that is glitter. So be careful, don't go rubbing it. There's one with the green topper and the red glitter, and the red topper and the green glitter, but I didn't pick up that one. Tried to look for it this year, but Shoppers didn't have any. And upon my searches of the internet trying to find one, apparently these are sold at Targets in the US as well. It's only a couple bucks, but might as well take it out of its thing. There, give you a little top-down view. Cycles through a few different colors. I'd grab it by the bottom end if you're looking for a way to grab it, because grabbing it there, you're just gonna touch the little fiber optics. Cycles through a bunch of different colors. There's some purple-ish. Yeah, there's the purple. The little tree topper there also has a little LED that changes color. There's some white, some pink, and then into red. Then there's the green, really brings out the tree topper color. Then some blues. Then a little bit of white, then it goes to yellow, and then another little bit of white goes to a little sky blue, and then purple, and then a little bit of white again, and then back to red. Let's actually turn off the lights so you can get a better view of what it looks like when it's dark. So that's one light. There's the other light. It acts pretty well as a night light, to be quite honest with you. Yeah, for a few bucks, this is actually quite a good stocking stuffer. So yeah, I just figured this was a little cool gadget. Nice little desk sort of thing to put on your desk, or pretty much anywhere where you need a tree. That's the red. And yeah, so I hope you have a Merry Christmas. I sure am, and we'll see you later. Small little bonus clip, because you didn't get quite to... Small little bonus clip because you didn't quite get to see everything while it looks dark like this. Just run it through one repetition of the colors, and yeah.